Hey everybody, I've got a couple puppet updates for you. First of all, I've made some minor adjustments to my character Terrence. He has hair now. He did not have hair before, but as of this afternoon he has a little bit of hair. Right there. It's a little sprig of ostrich feather that I attached some permanent fabric tape to, and then just stuck it onto his head, so it gives a nice little movement there. Even when he's not really doing anything, it's still kind of moving around a little bit. So that's a nice little addition to the character. So that's updated Terrence. I've also been working on my character Chimichanga. Here is his torso and arms. Hang on a second. There we go. The head is not done yet, but this is his torso and arms. I think it's going to look pretty cool. So that's my update.